Five people have been arrested for ragging at a Kerala government college. Students were ragged at nursing college. Cops said that ragging was done for nearly 3 months. They were accused of ragging first-year students for nearly 3 months at government nursing college. The accused are second-year nursing students who brutally ragged first-year students as per the police. This happened in Kerala. My colleague Uma Sudhir joins me for more details. So, Uma, tell us exactly what was the nature of their crime.
Extremely shocking details that are coming in from Kerala. This is in Kottayam Government Nursing College, where the first-year freshers have alleged that over 3 months they have been racked by the third-year students, and 5 of those third-year students have now been arrested. They have been identified as well, and what we understand from the ages revealed is that none of them is a minor. What we are told is that 6 people had come in from Thiruvananthapuram to the college in the month of November, and that's when their story of torture, abuse, humiliation, and straightaway cruelty and perversion is what I must call this, because these students, we are told, were stripped, were asked to go naked, and dumbbells were hung from their private parts, and in fact they were subjected to physical torture, injuries, using a compass that is found usually in a geometry box, and those injuries were there was lotion that was applied on those injuries, and students who would cry out in pain, lotion was put in their mouth as well, and they were in fact even blackmailed. They were forced to pay out money to supply liquor for these seniors, and all this in fact came to light after one of the juniors was unable to give money, and therefore he was beaten up as well by the seniors, and he had revealed this, the junior had revealed it to his parents, after which they were advised to go to the police, and they went to the Gandhinagar police. What we are being told by the students is also that they were filmed, forced to drink liquor, and were filmed, and that was used as a blackmail tactic, saying that their entire career would get destroyed if they were to reveal any of this in public, because their videos will be made to go viral subsequently. They approached the SHO of the Gandhinagar police station, who initially thought it was a small incident that they are talking about, and it is only after the investigation and questioning that they revealed that it was such a huge story of torture, and how it went unnoticed by the college authorities is also something that is now being investigated by the police. Srijit, the SHO who has carried out this investigation, has revealed that they are being booked under the Prevention of Ragging Act as well. And I must point out that this is almost exactly 1 year after the very infamous case of Siddharthan, a 20-year-old student at the Animal and Veterinary Sciences University in Wayanad, who was in fact subjected to similar torture for having danced with some seniors, and his body was found in the college hostel. He was found to have blunt injuries. That case had become very viral and much spoken about, and now what action is taken against these students is something that we need to watch and see.